I am super pumped to do the 2024 Ragen 2715. Of course, built-in 4,000 watt generator, air conditioning, slide out, fuel station, solar. It is almost standard equipment on any California built toy hauler these days. Big power awning. And the best part is, if you have a 4-seat Can-Am X3 or a 4-seat Razor 1000, you're going to fit it in this toy hauler. Even though it has a slide out, it has enough width. Now you get a couch, a dinette, and a bunk bed, so enough sleeping in the cargo area for up to 6 people. And finally, he went to the deeper refrigerator, the 12 volt, gave you an extra drawer and a little more counter space in that L. And you'll see you're going to get a 2-piece sink, big storage area both inside the cabinet, bigger microwave. And then if you look above, I didn't get to it, but above the cabinet, above the microwave, there's enough of a lip where you can squeeze pots and pans up there and a lot of dishes. Unlike Attitude toy haulers, they give you deep cabinet storage. Attitude has these thin little cabinets. Genesis is confident enough you're going to be able to fit your 4-seat side-by-side and give you deeper cabinets. By the way, if you like the new way I'm showing off the interior of the cabinets, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel out, as you know. Big bathroom, but again, everybody's going to that corner shower. That's just a standard thing anymore. Haven't seen many of the tow behind toy haulers go to the full length shower. So again, you're still having one person shower at a time. But let me tell you, in place, you're going to spend more time sitting on the toilet than you are in the shower. So I'd rather be comfortable sitting on the toilet than have a big shower. That's just me. Walk around queen bed with plenty of space for all of your clothing and storage needs. And really, really cool opportunity here, because in the top right hand corner, I'm going to show you another amazing toy hauler walkthrough.